Hey friends, if you wish to fix hypervisor error in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first resolution will be to run a certain command. I will share it in the description section of the video. All you need to do is copy it, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator and hit enter. It says the operation completed successfully and the hypervisor has been launched. So try running the application again. Usually it would work, but if it doesn't, then the next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator and then type SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution will be a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar, go to system configuration, go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.